So, welcome to Data Appreciation with Shino, and we're on the second part for querying external data and Iceberg tables. So, we're now going to enable the BigLake API. So, I agree to this. So, we come search for this on the side. Let's search for BigLake. So, we want to enable BigLake. Okay, here it is the BigLake API under Marketplace. So, we can see the API is enabled already. So, we now check our IAM permissions and we'll find an entry there with students quick labs at the end, and verify that we have BigQuery connection admin and BigQuery connection user. So let's go back to IAM. So here's it. So we have the student quick lab mentioned earlier, and we have the role as BigQuery admin and the other BigQuery connection user. So we have access. So next, I want to create a connection to cloud storage. So go to quick BigQuery and then Studio, Explorer, then add data. So let's go to BigQuery. Studio, Explorer, add data. So next, for data source type, we select storage data lakes. So here we have storage data lakes. Next, we select for most popular data source, we'll click the card for Google Cloud Storage. So most popular data source type, we'll click Google Cloud Storage. Next, in the resulting selection of cards, access external data in place, we'll click on external or BigLake table. So this is access external data in place. Click on external or BigLake table, which is right here. Now for our values, so for our values we have, let's reduce the font size here. Create table from Google Cloud Storage, which is already selected. Select file for GCS bucket or use a URI pattern. So we pick this. Let's show we selected all of that. Okay, so copy. Format is CSV. So for this, format is already CSV. Next is source formatting we left unchecked, which is here. Next project, we copy our project ID, which is already there. Next, for data sets, we'll click data sets, from loaded data sets, we'll pick BigLake. From loaded data sets, we come down here and select BigLake. Next is our table, is web underscore log, and type it in or we paste. Table type is external. And next, we'll create a BigLake table using the cloud resource connection. We check the box for the item. We check the box here. Next, we have a connection ID. First of all, when we click the connection ID drop down, we'll select create new cloud resource connection. Drop down, click on create new cloud resource connection. We have another value window. So we have connection type is vertex, AI models, which is already selected. Connection ID is GCS bucket. Location type is region. Region is Europe West 1. This is Europe West 1. Friendly name we leave blank. Description we leave blank, and we'll click on create connection. So we'll leave everything else. So schema we check auto detect, which is here, and then we now click on create table. Let us check our progress. We'll continue on task 2 in the next video.